everyone, we've got a really cool, classic, old school looking Formula 233 to show you today. This thing just looks fast sitting on the trailer. This 233 has so much style and class with the no bow rail and the wave breaker. It just gives it that really classic Formula look. Matt's finished it off with a custom Targa top instead of a bimini, which gives it a really unique look as well. And we've got a beautiful pair of Suzuki 200s on the back. This thing flies and it's so much fun to drive. The dash is nice and clean, super simple. We've got a new 16-inch Simrad NSS4. This is the new screen they just released. Really nice. It's actually a rear mount screen, so you notice there's no screws on the front of it here. It screws in from the back. We've got a pair of Suzuki gauges. We've also got all our Suzuki fuel, economy and fuel level running through the screen as well, so you got all the data you need right there. Got a great Fusion stereo in this. It absolutely pumps with a pair of 6.5-inch speakers either side, and they look great with a sports grille. These are our new seats we've started using. They're unreal. They've got a really premium vinyl, and we've got a bolster on these ones so you can have it seated or standing position, makes it really comfy. And we've got fixed arms on them. Both of these are mounted on our gas pedestal bases, which are just unreal for sitting down when you're running along at speed. Super comfy. I absolutely love this setup with this wave breaker. It's a solid fiberglass wave breaker instead of a glass windscreen, which is our standard inclusion. And then we've put 3 glass windows in the front of it. It just gives it that really old school, tough look about it. That coupled with no bow rail, this thing just looks so fast just sitting on the trailer. Last year we gave the Formula a facelift, and a few of the changes we gave it is this new transom. We got rid of the rounded bait tank in the center, so this is nice and flush now. We've got this huge 85-litre tank in the middle, and we've gone to fully molded fiberglass hatches everywhere in the boat. Did away with the plastic hatches, which just gives the boat a really nice finish. Transom's great to fish out of, nice and flat and square, and you've got heaps of room. Massive congratulations to Matt. You should be so proud of this Formula. You built an absolutely stunning looking boat. Enjoy, mate. We can't wait to see you down at Lakes Entrance.